Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic how to add Bluetooth to PC. Nowadays, in our day-to-day life, technology is rapidly converting from wired to wireless technology. Wireless technology such as Bluetooth is widely spreading in societies. Either a lot of technology is required to send the data of one device to another device. Now, it has become easier with the help of Bluetooth. Instead of using wires, we can easily connect to different devices such as PC and printer, speaker and smartphones, PC and smartphones, etc. It is also being set as a cable replacement technology. Pros of Bluetooth technology. The main advantage is that it is wireless. There is less power consumption. Quickly transfer the data to which it is connected. It does not interfere with the another connections. Bluetooth devices are readily available at low range. It can easily connect with headphones, speakers, keyboards, mouse, etc. Cons of Bluetooth technology. It only connects with the device which is within a low range from the Bluetooth device. Sometimes the error arises and suddenly the connections get cut. Only two devices can connect at a time. It can be easily hacked. Steps to add Bluetooth in Windows 7 for PC. Firstly, click on Start button. Then in search box of Start button, search Device Pairing Wizard. After searching, press Enter on it. Then turn your device Bluetooth to which you have to connect the PC to make it discoverable. After you make your devices visible to another devices, then your device will be visible on the dialog box of Add New Device. Then click on your device Bluetooth name and click the next mentioned in the dialog box. Wait for some time. It takes time for installing the device system in your PC. After installation, your device is successfully connected with your PC. Next is how to add Bluetooth in Windows 10 of PC. In Windows 10, Bluetooth should be on and in the pairing mode until there should be a flashlight which indicates that it is ready for pairing. Open the settings, click on devices. After that, go to Bluetooth option. Your device Bluetooth should be on and visible to other devices. After that, select your device name from which you have to pair your PC. Your device will successfully pair with the PC with the help of these steps. Next is how to troubleshoot Bluetooth connection issue. Go to the Start button and then click on Device Manager and verify that driver is present or not and installed. If everything is alright, reinstall the latest Bluetooth driver and then try the given steps again. Next is how to transfer data using Bluetooth from mobile phone to PC. Again, you have to pair your device with PC by using Bluetooth. Select the file from documents that you have to transfer, then click on Share It and go to Bluetooth devices. Click on the name of your PC Bluetooth device and click OK. There is a confirmation on your PC for receiving the file, so click on it. Our file will easily transfer to your PC. Last but not the least, conclusion. In the end, I would like to conclude that Bluetooth is the best and most popular wireless technology that can be added to any of your system, device, Windows and many other devices. In modern technology, most of the devices have the feature of the Bluetooth. Bluetooth technology has given relief to many entrepreneurs. You can able to connect your devices with different windows as per which window is there in your PC. Use as much as you can as you want the technology of Bluetooth as it is free and fast. There is no interference with any other network and you don't want to merge with the wires to connect to different devices. This Bluetooth technology is developing day by day rapidly and the price of Bluetooth device is very cheap and efficient. Feel free to take the advantage of Bluetooth technology. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.